Hello everyone. Now today we will see the experiment of LVDT. So here I am entering the virtual lab website, that is vlab.co.in. So on the home page of this virtual lab, you will see different areas of virtual labs. In that, in the area of electrical engineering, different labs are given. In that, one lab is given, that is Sensors Modeling and Simulation Lab, developed by College of Engineering, Pune. In that lab, the list of experiment is given, in which fourth experiment is regarding LVDT. So prerequisite to perform this experiment, student should know the basic of transformers, magnetic material and their properties, concept of inductance and mutual inductance. Now, what is LVDT? So LVDT is linear variable differential transformer. It is electromechanical transducer. It converts the rectilinear displacement of any object to which it is coupled mechanically in electrical signal proportional to it. Construction, it consists two main components. One is movable armature and outer transformer windings. So basically it consists three windings. Moving element of LVDT is called core. It is a cylindrical armature made up of ferromagnetic material and it is free to move along the axis of the tube. So working of LVDT is given here. Then what is residual voltage? What is ED currents? So the types of LVDT based on the applications is given, that is general purpose LVDT, precision LVDT, submersible LVDT. Then types of LVDT based on the range of operation, that is short stroked and long stroked. Then types of LVDT based on excitation used, that is AC LVDT and DC LVDT. Then based on armature, unguided armature, guided armature and spring extended armature. Then applications where LVDT are used, they are used for position feedback in servo mechanisms, automated measurement in machine tools and many other industrial and scientific applications, measurement of displacement ranging from fraction of millimeter to centimeter, acting as a secondary transducer. It can be used for force, weight and pressure measurement. So this is a theory regarding LVDT, that is linear variable differential transformer. So to perform the experiment, the procedure is given. So here, to find the effect of various parameters like change in supply voltage, change in supply frequency on output of given LVDT, click on the simulated tab. So to perform this experiment, the simulator is given. So this is the simulator developed by the College of Engineering, Pune. So by given procedure, first we have to place the components by dragging these elements. Here circuit diagram is given. So like this, we have to place the components in this given area. So now armature and secondary coil. So these are the elements which required for the performance of this experiment. Now next part is we have to configure this circuit. So here three parameters are given, that is number of turns, now supply voltage and supply frequency. So we have to select this. Number of turns I am selecting as 1000. So here you can see in the diagram. Then supply voltage I am selecting as a 7 volt and supply frequency as a 1000. So here note also given. So now I am clicking on this configure button. Now here we can see this graph. So now you can see here, this is the primary winding, this is the armature and secondary winding. Secondary winding is given in or divided in two parts. So here displacement is now 0 millimeter. Now I am clicking on minus or shifting this armature on left side. So now here you can see the displacement is changed. So now it is minus 4 millimeter. So here the secondary voltage is changing. Now I am selecting displacement as minus 6 millimeter by changing this armature position. So here you can see on this graph, here red dot is mentioned or shown. So for this position, when I am selecting that dot, so it is showing 6 or minus 6. That is for movement of that armature, and after comma the value is given, that is 70, that is 70.07. So that is the voltage, that is the voltage in millivolts. So this is the output voltage. Again, if I am changing this armature position to 0 millimeter displacement, then again here it is minus 1. So it is not coming at center. So it is for 1 mm. Now if I am selecting this, for 10 mm on the right side. So to see this graph, so here if I am pointing at that red point, I am seeing that it indicates 10 millimeter displacement and the output voltage is 107 millivolts. So this is the experiment of LVDT, that is linear variable differential transformer. So in the same way you can perform this experiment. Thank you for watching this video.